Flash pun fibro ka result jongi grateful result of written examination ka apply namta angnek office ka general administration department tengnya puli kat company ka notification have de berkine tengin sepe the result of the written examination to the post in the office of grateful room bearer mali and sweeper in the office of the additional resident commissioner Middle House Kolkata November 2019 tek kemudian kane ki post apply nadu arajar khandai ka advertisement tek exam kina penong arfnyu ter July arjar sau is hereby declared the candidate bearing the following roll number are declared to have qualified for the personal interview tigini ki roll number kidai ki bala pass ya written examination berkila apoy ka personal interview room bearer lai sau post pra new lai ar new new lai not way lai san lai hai sau new new sau pra lai san not ar san new ar runot san ruwei lai khandai new way new ar not mali dan tang arngut san for ar ban new way there were no candidate who appear for the written examination from Garo community te nomor bagi dan post jong Garo tama omdon pade ba wan to exam te omdon reba you take a thlip yang post te ong ba hence one post of Mali will be advertised again for Garo committee only tip yo kim tip ka trek exam ne kumno ne nomor adu arja khandai adu arja saw ka exam te yo don gibum yo jing tibro ta kadaw kim wan to exam te na haban polite advertisement yang sa jisin ya ka post ko wei haka sweeper rukumju there were no candidates who appear for the written examination from Garo community te hang turu lathli biang hence one post of sweeper will be advertised again for Garo community only mar baga shimpor adu lai house name even to exam de yo kumno kim yo jing tip ane kim one shoe te kadaw kim don re one to exam weru te kala thli biang kin supply advertisement biang candidates are also advised to check the result from https://macrecruitment.nic.in to check the result hang tu website kiba le tho nam tagane but kiba ami roll number in the personal interview we held take a personal interview in panlong ang nyutri October arjar sau shpo biji step in community room 4 main secretariat building room number 306 Tingye. Candidates bearing the above roll number are to report to the General Administration Department with complete documents in original before the interview for scrutiny. Those who not comply or found deficient will not be allowed to appear for the interview. Te sakan mau kitu kibalami keteng gini roll number haneng lai dan kemau bandra ai original document hakatika sing interview inyo tre Oktober ala himra kinam sha FP ban appear am ta interview. Te tangini hiki jeng petip kulish bun.